Hey friends, I want to pause from our regularly scheduled programming to address what we are all collectively going through together at this time. I think it's important to talk about this because it's going to affect everything going forward, at least for a time, and I think it's good for us to talk about it together. And although this is a time of pain and great difficulty for many, and certainly uncomfortable living circumstances for most of us, I see something really unique and special happening. Many people are taking the time, not looking at their differences with other people, and just working together to find the good in everything and to find positivity as opposed to focusing on their worries. I mean, it's a time where a lot of people are worried, and naturally so. But I'm noticing a general trend toward trying to keep everybody positive and keep everybody's spirits up, because it's very easy to let the spirits fall down. And the result being that their care and concern for others is outweighing their care and concern for themselves. And I can speak for myself personally as well in this. And with this time at home, this period in our collective history has become such a time of reflection. And as I reflect over our situation worldwide, I see this thing happening. I see this very special thing happening in the midst of all the pain and difficulty. We are all in the same boat now. Except for we always were. Our planet is that boat, and we can see ourselves all together on this boat. Sink or swim time, baby. We, of course, have all been in it together this whole time, but it's becoming much more apparent now for those who missed the boat on that one. Sorry for the puns. We were so much more focused on the them and the those and the they and the these, as if we were all separate from one another. But Corona has shown us, thankfully, once again, well, not Corona once again, but we've been shown once again, through Corona, that nature doesn't make those irrelevant distinctions that we do. She attacks regardless of race, religion, country of origin, or income status. We're all in the same boat. And as I'm sure many others are looking for that light at the end of the tunnel with this outbreak, I start looking towards getting back to normal. But now I find myself thinking or wondering what normal will look like, or at least what I want normal to look like. And I think that's an important distinction. We have an opportunity here and now. We really, really do. And we have to take the bull by the horns. And when I say have to, I can't make you do anything, but I really think that we should. I strongly advise. As a really great friend said in her Facebook post, where she was updating on their situation in Italy, she suggests how we can take this opportunity to consider the possibility of how we can do things better together. That we can choose how we perceive things and elevate a little. I really like that. Elevate a little. That we can come out of these dark times into our own renaissance. And we can make this a rebirth of the human spirit. I can only hope that when the dust settles from this virus, that we will no longer let these imaginary lines we've drawn in the sand divide us, but that we'll be able to work together in the best interest of each other.